back.
Uh-huh.
There are a lot of people on motorcycles driving crazy.
Right.
Oh my gosh.
It was the left side of the road driving too?
No, it's a regular side, but it drives so fast. Everybody's in a hurry in that tiny cars, little smart cars.
Right.
Lots of those on the road. No.
So tell me your experience since coming. And we've been doing the Decca Plus treatment, and look at these inches here. I would say we started about right here. And I'll put on here how long you've been coming. Your experience from the beginning till now.
Well, before I came, I had a really, really bad case of eczema, various spots in my head, on my scalp, really very bad. And since coming, Miss Wanda has tamed my eczema, which I really didn't think was possible. It's not dry, flaky, and scaly, and my scalp feels so great.
Yeah.
So much better.
Right. So basically we did the consultation, and again I put the when she came, and then the other thing is so I did the Decca Plus treatment before starting the braid down, and we are using synthetic hair, which she pre-washes before we put it in. We kind of discovered which texture works best, which brand, and we've been okay. It's actually a child's. Then they market it as a children's crochet.
That's correct.
When they market children's crochet, that's just the length. It doesn't mean children have to, but I tend to have clients who want a shorter length. And yeah, looking in the children's section will give you that. We did change the braid pattern so that, because I could still see a little buildup in the back, so I changed the direction of the braids in the back, and it's just been flourishing. And you are using the Decca Plus, the satin pomade, right?
Absolutely, exclusively.
Exclusively. And then you're doing what? Your own, drinking plenty of water. We could tell if if you've had excess activity with regard to causing any, additional sweating or anything like that, things that are going on in life, good, whatever. And we could tell if there was a buildup, but it has reduced tremendously. So, anything else that you would want to say about this journey?
No, but I highly recommend Wanda, hands down. If you're really serious about keeping and getting your hair healthy and letting it grow to its potential, she is a charm. She has a touch. She has a Midas touch.
And I'm grateful that she trusted me. Thank you.